Welcome back to our channel, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of full-stack web development. Whether you're a beginner looking to start a new career or an experienced developer wanting to expand your skill set, this is the video for you. Full-stack web development is the art of creating dynamic, interactive websites that encompass both the front-end and back-end components. It's the perfect combination of creativity in logic, design, and functionality. But what exactly does it entail? Front-end development involves crafting the visual aspects of a website, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's all about creating captivating user interfaces and ensuring a smooth user experience. On the other hand, back-end development focuses on the behind-the-scenes magic that powers a website. It includes server-side scripting, database management, and handling data interactions. Now, here's the exciting part. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a full-stack web developer, we have a special opportunity just for you. You heard it right. You now have the chance to learn full-stack web development in just 7 days, all on your own. We've partnered with a team of professional experts who have created an ebook that provides comprehensive guidance on your learning journey. This ebook is packed with practical examples, step-by-step tutorials, and insider tips to help you grasp the intricacies of full-stack web development. To make things even better, we're providing a web link in the description below. By clicking that link, you'll gain access to this incredible resource and unlock the secrets of full-stack web development. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace this opportunity, unleash your creativity, and become a master of full-stack web development. With the ebook's expert guidance, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish in just 7 days. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to click that link in the description to start your full-stack web development journey right away. Remember, the possibilities are endless when you have the right knowledge and skills. Stay tuned for more exciting tech content, and happy coding!